Have you ever noticed that your fingernails are not just for beauty, but also like a tiny mirror, reflecting your body's inner health? On average, nails only grow about 0.1 millimeters per day. Yet those small changes can reveal a lot, from nutritional status and blood circulation to hidden health conditions. When nails become weak, change color, show strange streaks, or break easily, it's not just a cosmetic issue, it may be a warning sign your body is sending. In today's video, LiveWell Everyday Asterisk will share with you 9 important nail signals and how to fix them through nutrition, drinks, and healthy lifestyle habits. Don't miss it, because by simply paying attention to your hands, you can actually protect your overall health. If you find this video useful and valuable, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. If you're dealing with nail problems, feel free to ask questions. I'll answer them in the comments so everyone can benefit. The first sign: if your nails suddenly turn unusually red, don't ignore it. If it's just redness from a bump or minor trauma, it usually goes away in a few days. But when the nails turn pinkish red or dark red and stay that way, especially if swelling, pain, or deformities appear, you need to pay close attention. This could signal heart disease, arthritis, or immune disorders causing blood to pool under the nails. Some medical studies even show that endocarditis, inflammation of the heart's inner lining, can make nails appear dark red. That's why, if you notice this condition, it's best to see a cardiologist and get blood tests to rule out serious risks. The second sign: tiny white spots appearing on the nails. Many people immediately think of calcium deficiency, but in fact, most of the time these come from minor injuries while the nail is still growing in the nail bed. However, if white spots appear often, accompanied by dry, brittle hair and wrinkled skin, the cause could be zinc, iron, or vitamin B deficiency. In this case, adding foods like pumpkin seeds, whole grains, red meat, or seafood can noticeably improve the situation. The third sign: when nails become brittle, splitting, or break easily. This is quite common, especially in women over 40. At that age, keratin, the protein that gives nails their hardness, declines significantly. Frequent contact with dish soap, laundry detergent, or nail polish can make nails weaken faster. Deficiencies in biotin or iron can also cause nails to peel. If this persists, you should wear gloves when doing housework and add biotin-rich foods such as eggs, soy milk, and oats to nourish nails from the inside out. The fourth sign: yellowing nails. This is the classic sign of nail fungus, a very common condition. When infected, nails often become thick, rough, and may even detach. Smoking can also stain nails yellow due to nicotine. On top of that, applying nail polish too often, especially low-quality polish, can cause discoloration. If nails are yellow, thick, have a foul odor, or break easily, it's almost certainly a fungal infection. At that point, moisturizing cream alone won't help. You'll need medical treatment. The fifth sign: nails turning bluish or gray. This indicates low oxygen levels in the blood, often linked to heart or lung conditions, or sometimes caused by trauma that leads to blood pooling under the nail. If it's just a mild bruise, the nail will heal on its own in a few weeks. But if the bluish color lingers and comes with shortness of breath or fatigue, it may be a sign of circulatory or respiratory disease. In this case, a full medical checkup is a must. The sixth sign: ridges or grooves running across or along the nails. A few faint lines can simply be normal aging, but when ridges are deep and numerous, they're often linked to vitamin B12 deficiency, iron deficiency, or autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Horizontal ridges, also known as Bowes lines, are often seen in people who have gone through serious illness, high fever, or prolonged malnutrition. These lines are like health diary entries left behind on your nails. The seventh sign: nail biting. It may sound harmless, but the consequences can be serious. Nail biting doesn't just affect appearance, it creates openings for bacteria, leading to skin infections around the nails and even stomach issues if bacteria are ingested. Over time, chronic nail biting can permanently deform nails, making them grow crooked and hard to restore. This habit is often linked to stress and anxiety. To overcome it, you can try chewing gum, practicing deep breathing, or developing healthier stress relief routines. The eighth sign: tiny pits in the nails, like little holes. This is a hallmark of psoriasis or eczema. People who frequently use harsh cleaning chemicals or wear nail polish often may also develop this condition. If pitting comes with scalp flaking or joint pain, it's almost certainly linked to psoriasis. Since psoriasis is a chronic condition requiring long-term care, you should never self-medicate with random creams. Instead, see a dermatologist for proper treatment. And finally, dark streaks running vertically along the nails. If it's just a purple bruise after an injury, there's no need to worry, it will fade in a few weeks. But if black or brown streaks persist and become more noticeable, this is a red flag. It could be a sign of subungual melanoma, nail melanoma. While rare, it's extremely dangerous. That's why if you see unexplained streaks that don't fade, seek medical care early for diagnosis and treatment. Not long ago, my neighbor, Mrs. Mai, noticed a dark streak running down her fingernail. At first, she thought it was just bruising from getting her finger caught in a door. But after several months, the streak didn't fade. Worried, she finally went to see a doctor. A dermatologist examined her nail and revealed it was an early sign of subungual melanoma. Thankfully, because Mrs. Mai caught it in time, early treatment saved her health. After that, she often told people in the neighborhood, never ignore small changes in your nails. They may be the earliest warning signs your body is trying to send you. Her story is clear proof that nails aren't just for beauty, they're mirrors reflecting your health from the inside. Dear friends, if one day you suddenly notice strange changes in your nails, don't worry too much. In most cases, it's not necessarily a serious disease. Often, it's simply your body sending gentle reminders that you need to pay more attention. Nails are like a tiny notebook, quietly recording your nutritional status and overall health. When we learn to listen, it becomes easier to understand what the body truly needs. And with just a few adjustments, improving your diet, adding more nutrient-rich foods, and maintaining healthy habits, your nails can gradually recover, becoming stronger, shinier, and less prone to problems in a short time. The most important factor is diet. Nails are made primarily of keratin, a special protein that gives them strength and durability. When your body lacks essential nutrients, the process of producing keratin is disrupted, leaving nails weak, brittle, and discolored. So, if you want strong nails, it all starts with what you eat. Among all foods, dark leafy greens play a key role. Spinach, kale, bok choy, and amaranth are not only familiar on the dinner table but are also rich in iron and folate. These two nutrients directly support red blood cell production. Healthy red blood cells keep circulation strong, delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, and of course, your nails, being at the farthest ends, benefit as well. With enough iron and folate, nails look pink and smooth. Without them, nails often turn pale, develop ridges, or even curve upward like a spoon, a condition doctors call koilonychia. A study published in the Asterisk Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology revealed that people who eat plenty of dark leafy greens tend to have smoother nails with fewer ridges and less splitting. Beyond iron and folate, these greens also contain lutein, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, powerful antioxidants that protect nail cells from free radical damage, slow aging, and keep nails resilient. That's why just one daily serving of dark leafy vegetables not only boosts cardiovascular and digestive health but also brightens your skin and strengthens your nails, making them healthier and rosier. In addition to greens, everyday foods like eggs, soy milk, almonds, Walnuts and sunflower seeds are natural treasures packed with biotin and keratin. Biotin, also known as vitamin H, is a crucial B vitamin that helps the body process nutrients and produce keratin. If keratin is the bricks forming the structure of nails, then biotin is the cement that holds everything together. Without enough biotin, nails become soft, break easily, hair may fall out, and skin can dry out. In some cases, nails even grow misshapen or curved. A Swiss study found that 63% of women improved nail thickness and strength significantly after just 3 months of daily biotin supplementation. This explains why those who regularly eat eggs, drink soy milk, or enjoy nuts like almonds and walnuts rarely suffer from weak nails. Adding just a boiled egg, a glass of soy milk, or a handful of nuts to your daily meals can, within 2 to 3 months, make your nails stronger, grow faster, and shine more beautifully. It's clear proof that what we eat is reflected directly in our body's appearance. Another essential food group is fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, along with superseeds like chia seeds and flax seeds. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that the body cannot produce on its own. Beyond their well-known benefits for heart and brain health, omega-3s also help keep cell membranes hydrated and fight inflammation. Without enough omega-3s, nails can become dry, brittle, flaky, and less flexible. A study at the University of California found that people who ate salmon and chia seeds consistently for 12 weeks developed thicker, more elastic nails, with up to a 40% reduction in nail fold inflammation. This shows that simply eating fish twice a week or adding chia and flax seeds to breakfast can make nails stronger and shinier, without the need for expensive nail care products. When the cardiovascular system is healthy and circulation is strong, oxygen is delivered all the way to your fingertips, ensuring your nails are well nourished. Besides food, hydration is equally important. A warm glass of lemon honey water in the morning not only detoxifies the body but also provides vitamin C, which boosts iron absorption and helps nails stay pink and strong. Fresh coconut water, rich in potassium, magnesium, and electrolytes, keeps the body hydrated from within, reducing nail dryness and brittleness. And the simplest habit, often forgotten, is drinking 1.5 to 2 liters of water daily. When dehydrated, nails become dry and fragile. When properly hydrated, they stay supple, elastic, and grow evenly. Alongside diet and hydration, daily nail care habits are just as important. Keep nails clean and trimmed to prevent bacterial infections. Limit the use of nail polish, especially cheap brands loaded with chemicals that weaken and discolor nails. If you still have a habit of nail biting, now is the time to quit. Nail biting doesn't just ruin appearance, it also invites infection and can permanently deform the nails. Instead, you can chew gum, practice deep breathing, or spend a few minutes meditating to relieve stress. Stress is one of the main reasons many people bite their nails unconsciously. Addressing the root cause will help nails stay healthy in the long run. When you combine all 3 factors, proper diet, adequate hydration, and healthy nail care habits, your nails will gradually recover. They'll become stronger, smoother, and shinier, while your overall health also improves. Nails truly are mirrors reflecting what's happening inside the body. With just a few weeks to a few months of consistency, you'll begin to see positive changes right at your fingertips. I have an acquaintance, Mr. High, who is now in his 60s. His nails used to always be dry, brittle, and often had horizontal ridges. He thought it was just due to aging and simply accepted it. Later, during a checkup, the doctor gave him simple advice. You should eat more leafy greens. Drink coconut water, add salmon and nuts to your diet, and keep your nails clean. Don't bite them anymore. Mr. High decided to follow the advice. Every day, he added green vegetables to his meals, started his mornings with a glass of warm lemon honey water, ate fish twice a week, and occasionally snacked on walnuts. After just 3 months, His nails were no longer brittle, they became rosy, shiny, and healthy. Smiling, he said, asterisk, now when I cut my nails, I'm not afraid they'll break halfway anymore. This shows that even small changes in diet and daily habits can bring about remarkable improvements in nail health. Dear friends, nails are not just for beauty, they're silent messengers of our overall health. By paying attention to small changes in your nails, you can take timely steps to care for your body better. Nourish your nails from the inside with a healthy diet, and from the outside by keeping them clean and breaking bad habits, so they stay strong and resilient. If you've experienced any of the 9 nail signs I shared, leave a comment below so we can discuss together. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more useful health tips from Live Well every day. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.